Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi icon not showing in Windows 11. So if you go to the taskbar and click on this panel, and if the Wi-Fi icon is missing, then there are three methods to fix this issue. So the method number one is just go to the search bar, and now in the search bar just type services. Click on the search result, services, and now in this list of services just search for WLAN auto config. So here it is, WLAN auto config. Just click on it, right click over it, and click on properties option. Now just change the startup type from disabled to automatic. So just change the startup type to automatic. After this, just click on the apply button, and if the service status is stopped in your system, then just click on the start button to start it. Now click on the OK button, and you are done. Now you have to do the same thing for Windows Update Service, Network List Service, and Windows Connection Manager Service. So just make sure that their startup type is automatic and they are running. If they are not running, then just click on the start button to start it. I will give this list in the video description. You can copy it from there. Now close this one also, and now just check whether your issue is resolved or not. So this was method number one. Now the method number two is just go to the start button, right click over it, and now click on settings option. Now go down and click on troubleshoot option. Click on other troubleshooters, and now for this internet connections just click on the run button. So it will automatically find the Wi-Fi related issues and fix them also. So just follow the instructions shown in this window. Now just click on this option, troubleshoot my connection to the internet. So it is saying that the Wi-Fi adapter is disabled. Now just click on this option, try these repairs as an administrator. So the problem is now fixed. Just click on the close button, close this window, and now just check whether your issue is resolved or not. So this was method number two. Now the method number three is just go to the start button, right click over it, and click on settings option. Now click on network and internet option in the left hand side. Now click on advanced network settings. And now for your Wi-Fi internet connection, just click on the disable button. So this will disable the Wi-Fi adapter. Now wait for few seconds and again click on the enable button. So this will enable the Wi-Fi adapter. So you are now connected to the internet. Now just check whether your issue is resolved or not. You can do the same thing by another method also. So just close this window, go to the search bar, and now in the search bar just type view network connections. So yeah, it is already showing. Just click on the search result, view network connections. Now click on the Wi-Fi adapter. So it will be Wi-Fi written in its name. So just select it, right click over it, and click on disable option. So it is now disabled. Now wait for few seconds and again click on the Wi-Fi adapter, right click over it, and click on enable option. So the Wi-Fi adapter is now enabled. And now just check whether your issue is resolved or not. So this was method number three. If still the Wi-Fi icon is not showing in your system, then you have to install Wi-Fi driver on your system. I have created a separate video for that shown in the above I button. So just click on it and see how to install Wi-Fi driver on Windows 11. So these were the three methods that you can try out to fix Wi-Fi icon not showing in Windows 11. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.